Hello, I'm Rahul. For CSC Data Science, today I'm going to talk about the topic data interfaces in DBMS, which comes under the subject Database Management System. The code is BCS 403. So let us begin. First, what are the contents we are going to see? That is the introduction, overview of data interfaces, menu-based interfaces, forms-based interfaces, graphical user interfaces, that is GUI, natural language interfaces, speech input and output interfaces, interfaces for parametrics users, interfaces for databases, database administrators, that's DBA, and the conclusion. So first, introduction. What is DBMS? The definition is, basic definition is, a database management system, DBMS, is a software that uses a standard method to store and organize data. Importance, it allows users to create, read, update, and delete data in a database efficiency, which is basically the core system CRUD, that is create, read, update, and delete. You can see no SQL like MongoDB as well. So yeah. Then overview of data interfaces. Definition of interfaces, that is, interfaces that allow users to interact with the database. Rolling database DBMS facilitate data manipulation and retrieval. Importance, enhance user experience and accessibility. And menu-based interfaces. The basic description is present users with list of options. There is menus to choose from. Users navigate through menus to form queries. Example, like ATM machines use menu-based interfaces for transaction. As you have gone to many ATMs, you can see it is based on menu-based interfaces like you select, then it will navigate you to what you have to do, what you have to input, and how you get the output as the cash or the receipt. Then advantages, user-friendly and intuitive. No need to remember complex commands. Then forms-based interfaces. The basic description is display forms for data entry, where users fill out fields used for inserting, updating, and querying data. Like example, only the online registration forms for events or services. As we have filled many your online registration forms, like many forms, where you base it's like a form where you have to input the data, then you have to like insert basic data like photo you have to do, you have to upload, then you have to maybe update something, like you have input some wrong thing, then you have to update, like you query or querying the data like that. So that is the example for online registration forms for events or services, the form-based interfaces. So what are the advantages? So easy for non-experts to use, ensures structured and consistent data. Next, graphical user interfaces, that is GUI. The basic description is use graphical elements like icons, buttons, and menus. Schema and data can be displayed in a visual format. Example, Microsoft Access provides a GUI for database management. The advantage is intuitive and visual interaction. Minimum programming knowledge required. So it is like a graphical user interfaces, like you can see when in a graphical form. It may be like tutorial as we have discussed, like I can icons, buttons, and menus, like which is visually form. It is a visual format, so it is like very interesting to see and use. The natural language interfaces. The description is like accept queries in natural language. Example, English. Translate natural language into a database queries. Like example, voice assistant like Siri or Alexa querying a database. Like you can talk to them like in a natural language that is the English. Then you don't have to type the code and all. As you can see in Siri or Alexa. The advantage is accessible for users unfamiliar with query languages, conversational and easy to use. Then speech input and output interfaces, like we have previously seen in the thing. So the description is use voice commands for interaction with the database, provides speech output for responses. Example, voice control smartphone system. Like you have seen like using various IoT systems, a smart home system. Like you can using your voice, you can command to switch on or off your lights or fans or anything, or AC something like that. There's the input and output interfaces. The advantage is a hands-free operation. No need to use the hands or any physical element. All you have to do is give the command using a speech and all. Useful for accessibility and convenience. Like it saves your time, maybe little bit, but yeah, it does save your time, and it is very accessible and convenient. The interfaces for parametric users, like description, predefined parameters for frequent users, simplified interaction for repetitive tasks. For example, custom dashboards for business analysts, advantages, efficiency for regular tasks, customized for specific needs. The interfaces for database administrator, that is DBA, the description is like specialized tools for database management and maintenance, advanced features for optimizing and monitoring. Example, Oracle Enterprise Manager for DBS. Advantages are advanced control and monitoring capabilities, essential for maintaining database health and performance. So what we can conclude from this, like the summary, basic summary, is like recapping of data interfaces like menu-based, form-based, GUI, natural language, speech parametric, and DB interfaces. We can go back to the video to see again this. Then importance of choosing the right interface based on user needs and tasks, like what the user and how you want to do what you want. Based on that, you can use any of the interfaces. Then what is the future trends? So emerging technologies like AI-driven interface and augmented reality you can use. So yeah, it is very interesting to use. You can go for any of the interfaces. So yeah, thank you for watching. Have a great day.